Hey guys, I got some lights off Amazon. I'm going to show you how to install them real quick. I already got a set in here. These are the smoked with amber. I'm going to put a set of smoked with white in there. I want to see which ones I like better, and then I'll keep those in and get rid of the other ones. They're pretty good quality. Actually, they're really good quality. They're marked on the back L and R for left and right. Obviously, driver's side is left. I'm going to show you how to pop this in and on. A lot of guys are saying it's a little difficult. So all you're going to need is the light number one, and then a light, and then you're going to go after these screws here. Now you're going to need a T15 Torx. I put it on this little wrench. I got it with this, but it's pretty tight. So we're going to put this here. Promise this won't be too long. It's just on this one, because if you get it too long with the ratchet, it's going to pop in the tire. So that one's out. Now we're just going to use plain brute force here. Actually, it's from Milwaukee. It's makes it real quick. So the two sockets you're going to need is this T15 and then a 7mm. And I'm not sure if it's the exact same on the Tahoe. Guys are talking about air ducts, and I didn't see any when I was in here, but maybe they're on here. So you're going to take those out. I turned the wheel too so I could have clearance. This is a 25 Yukon AT4 Denali Ultimate Edition. So you want to get right in here. And then if you look at this light, you're going to see the tabs. There's 3 of them. And the light fits in like this. So I do it blindly. So I just put a 10mm on this. And I use a deep. And since I know where they're kind of at, I just feel up there for the head of it. One's right here. And one's right here. And like I said, look at the new lens if you have it. And then one is right here. That's all 3. And then this is going to come out. I'm not sure what they're talking about. They might have had active. I don't see any air dams in here. Maybe the Tahoe and the Suburban are different. And then there's a red clip on here. You're going to push that up and then push in right here. And then this will disassemble from the light. So it's out already. Now I'm going to put the new one on. So you're going to put that connector back in. And then you're going to lock that tab back down. And then you're just going to seat it in here. It'll flip around. It's pretty easy to maneuver. I say that and then I can't get it in. Anyway, you just kind of pivot in and then come this way. A little plastic on there. And then you're just going to put the bolts back in. You know where they came from when you took them out. You're just feeling there for the hole. Back here. So I'm just going to start them with my fingers. There's one. And then you got the middle one. Like I said, I'm doing this by feel. You could stick your head in there. It's kind of pointless. And then you know, like I said, hold this out. You'll know where the tab's at. You can feel it. You'll feel the hole with your finger. And you're going to put it back in. If you got the Milwaukee wrench, you're in service, you're going to put it on tighten now. And then I start with the middle one while I'm holding it kind of secure. You can feel the head go on there. You're going to hear it torque down a little bit. Don't go nuts. It's plastic, guys. Can you hear that let off? And there's one more right here. Kind of on it. Let me see. And you can stick your head in there. And that's all there is to it. You're on and up. And then it's just putting these back in. And then you're going to do one by hand. You guys get the ticket. Then you're going to switch to the T15 again. pop it on, tighten these, and then I do this one with this little wrench, and that's it. They're installed. So let's see how they look quick. This is the smoked with the white. So go ahead and ready. Here we go. I'm just going to pop the car off. That's how that looks. I'm going to shut it off. Come on over to the other side. I'll show you the other side. That's got orange on it. Same smoked with orange. Now these come with clear with orange, clear with white, smoked with orange, smoked with white. If you want to, you could have your local body shop come put those on. That's the orange. That's it, guys. I'll put a link in the description of the video. Real easy. Not sure about the Tahoe. I don't see. I'll have to run up the dealership and see what's going on there. But this is on a 25 Yukon. Those fit Yukon, Escalade, Tahoe, Suburban, and then obviously the big Yukon. Same light for a 25. Later.